we are going to be playing this like Nerf war game. It's fun, but oh no. It's super fun. You guys should play it. Okay. So we gotta go shoot some people. Okay. Bodyguard. Bodyguard always hurts me. Like, wait, I just shot at him, I think, when... Oh, I have a strategy now. Gotcha. I should have placed my scope sensor. Guys, I should have placed my scope sensor. Don't tell me we're on teams. Guys, viewers, I do not like when we're on teams. Dude, I saw, guys. Guys, I see a name tag. Okay, guys. Oh, how did he set me? Okay. Ooh. Ah! Good. Gotcha. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. That dude thought he could have got away. If that dude did not see me, I could have shot him. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, like, basically, okay, guys, we can destroy this. Whoa. Ooh. Viewers, you have to like and subscribe. Viewers, how did I just shoot him? Ah! No! I'm in third place. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's my blood.
This is my brother. Say hi, James.
Hi. Whoever's watching this video right now, like and subscribe and give your vacation though.
Yeah, what James said. Like,
And subscribe. and do your vacation.
If you guys want 1,000 bucks, then like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell.
Yep.
Meg. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. See you next time.